let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. So, we have this issue with displaying a planisphere using a map from the Natural Earth library. The problem lies in adding x and y axes to the planisphere. While the y-axes are looking good, the x-axis is not behaving as desired. It's not matching the width we want at 80 degrees latitude. Clearly, something needs tweaking here. Now, moving on to the solution. The key lies in adjusting the x-axis points to plus or minus 80 degrees instead of 0. By setting the x-axis points accordingly at plus or minus 80 degrees, and shifting the y-nudge to plus or minus 1 times 10 to the power of 6, we can move the labels to just below or above the plot, ensuring they align correctly on a map. This adjustment will give us the desired effect on the x-axis width, bringing in line with the planisphere at 80 degrees latitude. In summary, we successfully resolved the issue by redefining the x-axis points and adjusting the y-nudge values. By making these specific tweaks, we were able to achieve the desired outcome in displaying the planisphere with accurate x and y axes. And that wraps up our problem-solving journey for today. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts because feedback makes the world a better place for at least our videos. Goodbye for now.